Okay, so here we're looking at the function u and v at 2. So we know that u of 2, or the function value at 2, is 3. We know that the derivative of u at 2 is -4. F of v of 2, is 1, and the derivative of v at 2 is 2. So we have some u values and we have some v values. Find the derivatives, find the following derivatives at x equals 2. So therefore, we're really just doing the derivative of u at 2. Well, this is du dx is the same thing as u prime, and we're finding the derivative at 2, so it's really just u prime of 2. Well, u prime of 2 is -4. Here, this constant multiplier just kind of gets in the way. I can rewrite it as 3 times dv dx, which is 3 times v. Well, we're finding the derivative at 2, so v prime, so v prime of 2 times 3, so v prime is 2. So this is 3 times 2, which is 6. These are the same numbers. I just made them portable in the event that I needed to move down. So same thing. Here we're looking at a product of two functions, u and v. So the product rule says the first derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So therefore we would have u prime times v plus uv prime. Well, we're doing all this at 2, so that's u prime of 2 times v of 2 plus u of 2 v prime of 2. U of 2 is 3, v of 2 is 1, u of 2 is 3, and v prime of 2 is 2, where u prime of 2, so I made a mistake, u prime of 2 is not 3, it's -4. So therefore that should be a -4. So that gives me -4 plus 6, which is equal to 2. So here, instead of having a product, we have a quotient. So a quotient rule says low d high minus high d low, low squared. So this is going to be u prime v minus u v prime all over v squared. So we could rewrite it as u prime of 2 v minus u of 2 v of 2 u of 2 v prime of 2 all over v of 2 quantity squared. So u prime of 2 is -4, v of 2 is 1, minus u of 2 is 3, v prime of 2 is 2, all over v of 2 squared, which is 1 squared. So that gives me -4 minus 6 all over 1 squared, which is -10. So here we just have the difference of two functions, u and v. So the derivative of this binomial here would just be u prime minus 2v prime. So we could rewrite it as u prime of 2 minus 2v prime of 2. U prime of 2 is -4 minus 2 times v prime of 2, which is 2. So that gives me -4 minus 4 is -8. So lastly, our last example is we have a constant multiplier times a product. So we could just rewrite this as -4 times the derivative of u times v. Well, here's another product. So we've already seen this problem, but we'll just do it out again. So this would be u prime v. I'm going to put that -4 up front, plus uv prime. So that's -4 of u prime of 2 v of 2 plus u of 2 v prime of 2. So I get -4 u of 2, u prime is -4, times v of 2, which is 1, plus u of 2, which is 3. V prime is 2. So that gives me negative 4 times negative 4 plus 6, which is negative 4 times 2, which is negative 8.